If you've been locked out of your LinkedIn account and nothing is working, this video will walk you through exactly how to get it back. I'm going to show you what to click, what to avoid, and how to get past the verification loop that's stopping most people right now. The very first thing I want to say is please stop trying to log in over and over again. That's where most people get stuck, and I want you to go straight to LinkedIn's account recovery form. I put the link in the description down below and on the screen. Once you're there, enter your email address even if you no longer have access to it. This is the form you're looking for now. Contact LinkedIn support, report unauthorized account access or changes. So it's a bit misleading because you're like, it's not an unauthorized account access, it is a change, but it's because you've changed your email address. So go in here and start putting in your contact information. So your first name on your LinkedIn profile, your last name, the email that you think that you had your account on, and then whose account are you reporting? My account. Are you locked out of your account? Yes. You're going to click yes. I am not filling this in because I am not locked out of my account. Okay. And first name of the profile and last name of the profile. And then it wants at least one of the following. So email, phone number, and URL of the profile. I would put all of those in. So put your email address, your phone number, and remember your international dialing code and the profile. You can type, this URL can be found by typing LinkedIn plus Louise plus Brogan into your preferred search engine. It's okay. Why is the account compromised? So what we want to do here is let them know that we have changed our email address. So I would click other and put in here, the very words you want to put in here are that you have changed your job, you no longer have access to that previous old email account, and you are now locked out of your LinkedIn account. Then you click submit. So your message could be, I am unable to access my LinkedIn account as I no longer have access to my registered email. Please can you manually review my account and restore access? Now what I want you to be aware of is that this will not happen instantly. It will take probably at least 24 hours. It could be a couple of days. The key is please don't keep resubmitting the form because then you're just starting to clog up the system. So use that form, fill it in, and try and be patient and wait for a couple of days so they come back to you. What they probably will do once you have access to your account, then I want you to add two-factor verification to the account, and I would add a second email address to the account. So for example, you might have a new work email. Why not also add in your Google Mail or your Gmail account or your Hotmail account as well as a secondary backup? And good luck. Hope you can get back into your LinkedIn account.